In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when the PlayStation Store is not loading on PS4 or it's incredibly slow. So, the first thing I recommend you do is back out, and then we're going to head over to settings. And then once you're here, scroll down to network, and what you want to do is view the status of PlayStation Network services because the store just might be down or they're having problems on their end. Now, if there's no problems here, the next thing I recommend you do is to back out of this. Then, what you want to do is test your internet connection. Now, if your download speed and upload speed are a lot lower than what it should be, that could be the reason as to why. Now, I have seen some people on Reddit state that disconnecting from the internet by untoggling it and then retoggling it has fixed their loading issue. Now, if that doesn't work either, another thing I recommend you do is press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller. Then you want to go to power and turn off your PS4. And then you want to unplug your internet router and or modem for 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in and boot up your PS4 and try and enter the PlayStation Store to see if it fixes the loading issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.